welcome to Ruchipaka by Usha. What is this tiger? Sweet, looks so yummy. What is she doing? Pouring jaggery into the water. Oh, something sweet is cooking. Okay, what is this sweet? This is Kerala Bananas Halwa. That is Nendran Banana Halwa, which is yummy and nutritious. To make this, blend Nendran banana into a puree. Pour some ghee in a white pan. Mix this puree of banana continuously. Mix until it leaves the pan. Oh, it's so tight. So you can add some ghee in between to make a silky mixture. Now strain the jaggery water into this banana puree. And now again mix until it forms a lump-free paste. After that, you keep mixing until the water absorbs. Now you can add some aromatic flavor. That is what? The secret ingredient. That is the cardamom or elachi powder. A pinch of elachi powder is added along this puree of banana. Mix with the jaggery water. Mix with some more desi ghee and gives a combined mixture of halwa. Wow! Looks so yummy. The silky texture. Now grease a plate